Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny. This is Texas Style Cuisine. Got the Blackstone out again. We're cooking breakfast, but I tell you what, we're not doing your ordinary bacon and eggs. Today, we are doing bacon and peacock eggs. So stick around and let's see if a peacock egg is good to have for breakfast. We're gonna get started here. Drop some bacon on to start off with. Got this Blackstone on it's on a low heat, not too hot. We're gonna let our bacon get started first. Put a little bacon press on there, help them cook a little bit faster and not curl up on us. All right, let's flip our bacon over. Set that press back up on top of it. All right, let's do another flip on these. They're looking pretty good on that side, so go back over. These will be about ready to get off. All right, that bacon's looking good. I'm gonna put it on my rack over here and just let it kind of drain. Look at these. Two look good. Let that one go just a little bit more. Now here we go. 2 peacock eggs. Ever have eaten peacock eggs before? They are great big, so we're gonna have some big eggs here. I'm gonna do some omelets with these also, so stay tuned to be looking for my peacock omelet. But we're gonna give them a try, and we're gonna do them over easy here on the Blackstone. So same principle as any other egg, but we give it a little crack. Boy, the shell's hard. You can feel that. Ooh, that is a big old egg. Oop, got a little shell in there. Get that out. Yeah, I broke the yolk on that one. It'll be all right. We're gonna keep cooking these here. We'll put a lid over them. Just help them cook a little bit on top. Some they're gonna be in over easy, so if you didn't flip them over, they're a steamed egg or a basted egg, steamed basted egg. But when you flip them, that's when they're over easy. That's the difference between a steamed egg and one. If you just left it up there, they would turn white, but they would not be over easy. All right, these are starting to cook up pretty good. Take one, let's pick it up. You can see this Blackstone, it's got a good non-stick on it. We're gonna flip that one over. Take the one we broke, flip it over, leave them there just enough to cook that top. Then we're gonna get them off, get them on a plate, put them with our bacon, see how they turned out. One, two over easy eggs. Bring my rack back out here. We have got some bacon. There we go. Looking pretty good. Let's get these salt and peppered up, see how they taste. All right, I'm gonna add a little pepper to these. I call this a table grind pepper, but cut down my eggs, salt, looking pretty. Let's get these eggs to try. I'm gonna slice them up. Still pretty runny. I did crack that one, and the other one just lost a little bit on, but I think they're still looking pretty good. Peacock eggs are looking good. I got the guy that brought them to me is off camera. He's just kind of camera shy. Him and my son is about half scared. He said if they didn't kill me, he was going to try them. So let's see how they do. Regular egg taste, nothing different, just bigger. Tastes like a nice over easy egg. That's how I like them. Well, there you have it. I keep calling them peacock eggs, but technically Luke's telling me they're peafowl eggs because the males are the peacocks, the females are peafowl. So they're peafowl eggs, but we knew what I was talking about. So anyways, if you enjoyed these peafowl eggs, go down there, give me a thumbs up. Always appreciate that. Remember to share us, tell your friends and family about us. We're going to see you down the road on Texas style barbecue and cuisine.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.